Hello friends, my name is Manisha Dubey. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about the word and that is saw. Saw हम बोलते ना, we saw this, we saw that. हमने ये देखा, हमने वो देखा. तो instead of using saw हम different word use करेंगे. तो आइए देखते हैं. Moving on to first example. I have written two words, observed and notice. When you see something or view something or someone carefully with all details, you can use observe or notice. For example, I noticed she was looking upset. Next example is children have observed and learnt. When you means instead of saying saw, you can use observe or notice. When you see something carefully with all details. Moving on to next example, and that is glimpsed. Glimpse, when you view or see something briefly, incompletely or partially, then you can use glimpse. Glimpse वो हिंदी में होता है ना, झलक देखना, kind of a thing. Like for example, I glimpsed the man was running out of the store. I glimpsed the van was going into reverse. कुछ इस तरीके से. Moving on to next example, and that is glanced at. When you take hurried look, बहुत जल्दी से देखते ना किसी चीज को आप, then you can use glance at साथ में आएगा. जैसे she glanced around the room to see who was there. During meeting I was getting late and I glanced at my watch. एक निगाह से देखते ना, आप एक निगाह को देखते कोई किसी चीज को, तो आप तब यूज कर सकते हैं glanced. Gazed at is the next example. When you look at something or someone steadily for a long time because you find them interesting or attractive, तब आप यूज कर सकते हैं gazed at. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल they gazed at star for hours. जब बिल्कुल टकटकी लगाकर किसी चीज को देखते हैं तब आप यूज कर सकते हैं gazed at. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज stare at. घूरना बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में जिसको, उसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं stare at. Like when you see something or someone with wide open eyes, fixedly or vacantly, then you can use stare at. Don't stare at people in the public. It is rude. The girl continues stared at me. कुछ इस तरीके से. Moving on to next example, that is watched. When you see or view something for short period of time, then you can use watch. Like I never watched web series. She spent entire noon watching cricket match. कुछ इस तरीके से. The next example is spotted. When you see, when you find, when you locate or when you identify something or someone, you can use spot. जैसे try to spot the difference between two pictures. तब आप spotted, यहाँ पर second form लिखा है verb का, तो उस तरीके से आप use कर सकते हैं. Moving on to last example, that is examine. When you see something critically or carefully with all details, तब आप बोल सकते हैं examine. Like I examine the reports. तो देखा आपने कि these are the words you can use instead of saw. So इंग्लिश में ऐसा है कि हर एक्सप्रेशन के लिए एक डिफरेंट वर्ड्स है. आपको हर कोई भी एक्सप्रेशन है उसका एक अलग वर्ड आपको मिलेगा. तो आई होप आप लोग इन सारी वर्ड्स को यूज़ करेंगे अपने कन्वर्सेशन में, अपनी राइटिंग में. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.